Hi everyone, Agile Equipment is now selling IAQ Pro's fan stand for the Zephyr Axial fan. This fan stand turns your Zephyr Axial fan into a 360-degree fan on the vertical axis, meaning you can apply directed air in any direction that you'd like. Perhaps you need to focus dry a wet spot in the ceiling. Directed focused air will significantly decrease time than ambient air drying. This can be very handy for ensuring top-down drying for 10 to 15 square meters each, ensuring efficient drying as airflow is pushed out in every direction. This easily covers most rooms in the house. To put it on is quite easy. Simply unscrew the bolts from the stand, fold it out and screw in the handle and bolt to the side of the unit. Then place the unit in the stand like this. I like to tighten the bolts moderately so that the unit can be rotated into place and stay in that position. Tighten the bolts some more when you're happy with its angle and it's ready to go. Great for water damage technicians and carpet cleaners, the Zephyr fan stand is a great tool in your kit. You can buy both the Zephyr and the Zephyr fan stand at Agile Equipment, either from our website or in our Murray store in Brisbane. Thanks for watching.